Oh, you look stinky. I don't know how close I want to get to you. I think we... Oh, there's a llama. I've never seen a fucking llama in real life, Lauren. Are you kidding me? Yo, like, that's the GOAT right there.
He's tight.
That's Michael Jordan. Do you want some food? Is that yes or no? Hit it once for yes, hit it twice for no. Okay, it's yes. Okay, so you want food. Do you want graham crackers or animal crackers? Okay, oh, animal crackers. He did two. He did two for the animal crackers, so you want animal crackers. We'll be back.
Yeah. Hey guys.
I came back.
Oh, yeah.
I want some chicken. Exciting things are happening right now. Zach just got here and he brought over his new 16-inch MacBook Pro.
I'm literally just so excited for this thing.
Oh my god, bro. I'm excited for you.
Yo, this thing is beefy.
First of all, the Apple little bag too.
Oh,
let me see the Apple. Come on now.
Recycled materials, by the way. Entirely. Let me see here. I got a 10-core CPU, 32 gigs of RAM, bro. 32-core GPU. There's nothing I can't do with this. Apple unboxing.
You don't even need a knife?
I don't even need it. Bro, the most satisfying thing in the world.
Alright. Here we go.
Imagine it's like damaged in transit.
The screen's all cracked.
I'm crying. You know what? I'm gonna set this up.
Let's get to the goodies first. See how Apple greets us.
Bro, it's back.
It's back.
You know what the wattage is on the charging brick?
What is it?
Do you know?
Is it over 60?
Oh my god. It's
What is
more
it?
than double. 140.
What the fuck?
I know.
Oh, it's big.
It's a rectangle.
Holy
Bro, it's
shit.
a monster. Rumor has it there are black Apple stickers. I
I
haven't
hope
seen
so.
them.
I hope so.
Holy shit.
That's so dope.
This is amazing.
Real quick.
Explain it. What do you got?
MagSafe with the USB-C.
With
It's-
USB-C.
You can disconnect it. That's,
That's it.
oh my god.
And
That's
you know what's
perfect.
sick? You can still charge this with a USB-C charger. So like I
Oh,
can run
shit.
my own one to it. You're telling me I could put 207 watts to this computer? 140 and 67? This thing's gonna blow up.
Here we go.
Apple makes, of course, the best. This thing is so heavy.
Oh,
Have
and
you
the
seen
engraving.
Wow. It's so beautiful. The sound, bro. How the hell did they get that in there?
Satisfying.
How did they make it a rip? How does that make sense? I don't know, bro. Look at how perfectly that's cut around the
Wow.
the friggin' hinge. Hello. Hi. Hola. Shit.
Look at the keyboard. Oh my god.
No, we
The
don't
keyboard
need
and
any
the trackpad.
accessibility nonsense.
Actually, wait. I have the Apple trackpad over there if you want.
Dude,
It's literally the same size.
that's freaking huge.
That's actually crazy.
That's massive.
Okay, right now we're at Sonic and the guy next to us has the dopest car. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
I'm a videographer. Your car is so dope. Can I film some shots?
Yeah, you want some real?
Yeah, can I?
I'll go up the window so that way you don't see us.
Word, thank you, bro.
One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey, and I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey, so let's drink to everything that we've been through.